Becoming an elite person, the path to excellence. Welcome to your journey toward becoming an elite individual, someone who excels in performance, mindset, and impact. According to a 2024 survey, the term elite describes those who have reached the top 5% in any field, whether in business, academics, sports, or the arts. This presentation will guide you through the strategic steps and mindset shifts required to elevate yourself to elite status. The path to excellence isn't merely about natural talent. It's rooted in cultivating the right mindset, establishing powerful habits, and building extraordinary resilience in the face of challenges. Let's explore how you can transform yourself and join the ranks of those who consistently perform at exceptional levels. Defining elite. What does it really mean? Being elite goes far beyond natural talent or temporary success. It represents consistent outperformance in your chosen domain. According to the World Economic Forum, elite individuals comprise the top 2% in skill mastery within their field, demonstrating exceptional capability that separates them from their peers. Number 1. Olympic athletes. Not just physically gifted, but disciplined individuals who maintain rigorous training schedules over decades, constantly pushing their limits despite setbacks and injuries. Number 2. Fortune 500 CEOs. Leaders who combine strategic vision with execution excellence, typically making decisions faster and with greater clarity than their counterparts, while maintaining remarkable emotional regulation. Number 3. Nobel laureates. Researchers and thinkers who pursue breakthrough ideas with uncommon persistence, often working on problems for decades when others would have abandoned their pursuit. What unites these diverse elite performers is not just achievement, but a particular approach to their craft and to life itself, one we can study and adapt to our own journeys. The power of mindset, growth versus fixed. Stanford University research has revealed that adopting a growth mindset can increase achievement by an impressive 34%. This powerful mental framework, pioneered by psychologist Carol Dweck, distinguishes elite performers from their peers. Elite individuals don't view their abilities as static traits but as qualities that can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective fundamentally changes how they approach challenges, feedback, and setbacks. Number 1. Embrace challenges. Seek difficulties that stretch your abilities rather than staying within your comfort zone. Number 2. Pursue feedback. Actively solicit constructive criticism, viewing it as valuable information for improvement. Number 3. Persist through setbacks. See failures as temporary and instructive rather than permanent reflections of ability. Number 4. Find inspiration. Draw motivation from the success of others rather than feeling threatened by it. Dweck's research on high performers across fields consistently shows that elite individuals attribute their success more to effort and strategy than to innate talent. Designing elite habits and routines. The compound effect of small, daily improvements can be extraordinary. According to James Clear's Atomic Habits, just 1% daily improvement yields 37 times better results over a year. This principle is the foundation of elite performance across domains. Number 1. Prioritize recovery. 70% of elite athletes get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Recovery isn't optional, it's when physical and cognitive improvements solidify. Number 2. Time block your day. Top CEOs pre-schedule 80% of their workday, protecting deep work time for their most important priorities. Number 3. Establish a morning routine. 90% of high performers begin their day with structured routines that include physical movement, mindfulness, and goal review. Number 4. Practice daily reflection. Elite performers spend 10 to 15 minutes reviewing their day, identifying lessons and adjustments for tomorrow. The consistency of these habits matters more than their intensity. Elite individuals build systems that make excellence inevitable rather than relying on motivation or willpower alone. Peak performance through discipline. The research of K. Anders Ericsson revolutionized our understanding of expertise by identifying deliberate practice as the key differentiator of elite performers. His studies suggest that achieving mastery typically requires over 10,000 hours of focused, intentional practice, not just showing up, but pushing beyond current capabilities. Number 1. Set specific goals. Elite performers establish clear, measurable objectives for each practice session. Number 2. Maintain full focus. Complete presence and attention during practice, eliminating distractions. Number 3. Seek immediate feedback. Constantly evaluate performance and make real-time adjustments. Number 4. Embrace discomfort. Work at the edge of current abilities where improvement happens fastest. Case studies of elite performers like Serena Williams and Elon Musk reveal that consistent routines drive their results, not fluctuating motivation. Williams maintains her 6 a.m. practice schedule regardless of how she feels, while Musk organizes his day into 5-minute blocks to maximize productivity. Building mental toughness and resilience. Mental toughness separates the elite from the merely talented. The U.S. Navy SEALs have developed a powerful 4-step resilience model that anyone can apply: goal setting, mental rehearsal, self-talk, and arousal control. This framework helps SEALs perform under extreme pressure and can be adapted to any high-performance context. Number 1. Mindfulness practice. 65% of Fortune 500 leaders meditate for enhanced focus and emotional regulation. Number 2. Stress exposure training. Systematically facing increasing challenges to build tolerance. Number 3. Cognitive reframing. Interpreting setbacks as temporary and specific rather than permanent. Number 4. Persistence through failure. Viewing failure as valuable feedback for future growth. Elite performers don't avoid stress, they strategically expose themselves to it under controlled conditions, gradually building their capacity to perform under pressure. This resilience becomes a competitive advantage, allowing them to maintain focus when others become overwhelmed. Networking and learning from the best. According to a 2023 Harvard study, access to elite mentors can double your rate of professional growth. The people surrounding you dramatically influence your standards, thinking patterns, and opportunities. Strategic networking isn't about collecting contacts, it's about cultivating relationships with those who can elevate your thinking and performance. Number 1. Strategic online networks. Platforms like LinkedIn allow you to connect with industry leaders and join specialized communities where elite thinkers gather and share insights. Number 2. Mastermind groups. Structured peer groups where members challenge each other, provide accountability, and accelerate progress through collective intelligence. Number 3. High-value mentorship. Identifying potential mentors who have achieved what you aspire to and creating mutually beneficial relationships through specific, valuable requests. Number 4. Shadow opportunities. Observing elite performers in their environment to reverse engineer their processes, decision-making approaches, and problem-solving methods. Elite performers consistently invest in relationships with those who have already mastered what they're trying to learn, accelerating their development through absorbed wisdom rather than trial and error alone. Real-life elite. Concrete examples. Learning from real-world elite performers provides actionable templates for excellence. By studying their specific habits and mindset strategies, we can adapt proven approaches to our own circumstances. Number 1. Simone Biles. Elite focus. Uses micro-goal setting and visualization techniques. Number 2. Satya Nadella. Continuous learning. Commits to daily learning and growth mindset. Number 3. Malala Yousafzai. Remarkable resilience. Demonstrates persistence after extraordinary setbacks. Simone Biles breaks down her training into manageable micro-goals and mentally rehearses routines with perfect execution thousands of times. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella transformed the company's culture by instituting a learning mindset rather than a knowing mindset, committing to reading at least one book weekly. Malala Yousafzai's extraordinary resilience after being shot for advocating girls' education demonstrates how purpose-driven persistence can overcome even life-threatening obstacles. These elite performers share a combination of disciplined practice, continuous improvement mindset, and extraordinary resilience that we can adapt to our own contexts. Your action plan for becoming elite. Now it's time to translate these elite principles into your personal action plan. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistent progress toward your potential. Elite performance develops through systematic, intentional practice rather than random bursts of motivation. Number 1. Track your elite habits. Use the 30-day Elite Habit Tracker template to monitor your consistency with key behaviors. Start with just 1 to 3 fundamental habits and master them before adding more. Remember that consistency trumps intensity. Number 2. Set audacious goals. Establish objectives that push beyond your comfort zone, breaking them down into quarterly milestones. Elite performers aim higher than their peers, then develop the systems to reach those targets. Number 3. Create feedback loops. Implement a continuous improvement system. assess your performance weekly, adjust your approach based on results, and advance your standards regularly. Seek external feedback to identify blind spots. Your journey to elite performance is unique, but the principles remain consistent. Cultivate a growth mindset, establish powerful habits, practice deliberately, build mental toughness, learn from the best, and continuously refine your approach through feedback. Remember that becoming elite isn't a destination but an ongoing pursuit of excellence. The path is demanding, but the rewards, both in achievement and personal growth, are extraordinary.